Today we're unboxing the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies Bulldozer. Time to build our bulldozer. Let's twist, twist, twist. And now we're ready to roll. But wait, we still need to add the stickers. The box turns into a construction playset. Now we have our very own construction site. Let's check that everything's safe. The dog is headed to the doghouse. Time for a nap. Let's put our buddy in the driver's seat. We can raise the scoop bucket all around to get the job done. Build, drill, and play. Vroom!